I think if you try to double back through the thing that puts you up too, I'd say just start at the front rock. Because I think that it gets you when you like double back and puts you back up again or whatever.
Like start the whole like.
So like you know like after the rocks and like you run through to go up, but then you like start walking back. Like then it like if you walk too far, you go back into it and go up again. It's very awkward.
Yeah.
So you can just like go to the front rock.
Yeah, that's a good point. I guess it doesn't matter. Like, I'm so used to us, like, thinking that we need to be stacked when we actually, like, don't need to be.
Yeah. Right is safe. I'm dying.
Hi, what's healing you?
Hi, my name is Warren.
Hi, Hi, my name is Sage.
Hi,
What a set name that was.
That was so good. I'm sad I didn't use that one. I did Infinite Rizamata.
Another one.
Another one. Look how much more damage those virtual shifts do.
Yeah, that was crazy.
What flavor do we have?
Life safe. Team's blessed.
Blessed group too.
Are you kidding me?
Got it. Nothing to see here, very normal.
It's that budfish right there, baby.
I see.
Everybody up.
It's getting that good.
Yeah, I don't think I need to rebuild it.
Drop off. Everybody down.
Yeah, going in this side is way easier.
Ah!
Ah! Bad. Blessed.
Oh, we have to go diagonally.
Yeah.
Zigzag.
What is
baby.
that? Lovely single target hit in my
Yeah.
bullets. Look at that.
Everybody metal.
Coordination.
Yep. What? Coronation?
Give me that pro order. Hello?
Wait, what?
Over this way.
Hello?
Oh my
Good save.
We're good.
I was like, I don't think that's where we're supposed to be.
One.
Go to A, or 1, yeah. Wow. Mudfish, the real savior of this run.
And then edge to edge.
Yeah.
Edge your puddles.
Four, mid. Oh Jesus Christ!
We're fine, we're fine,
All
we're
good.
fine. Knockback
Can
next.
knock back mid this too.
Knock back mitigate now. Oh, bye. Goodbye.
Right.
Yeah, that shield was without the extra bits. That shield is definitely needed.
Oh, that reminds me.
Remember the diagram.
Abraham has been acquired.
Alright, try to
good
bait
thing
these
first.
if you won't need to, I guess.
Motion,
Yeah.
motion.
Oh yeah. My dot refresh was there.
Sides cross back.
Oh,
Left
side.
safe.
Fronts cross back. Right safe.
Oh, I was.
Raising
Getting
your
right?
row.
Okay, you getting right? Getting Rosa.
I'll get the first tether on the right.
It's going to be a wiggle.
Actually,
Wiggle.
yeah.
left time.
Wiggle.
Never mind, never mind. Left time.
Then out on Norway.
Shielding.
Popping my sound down.
Oh sh!
What?
Getting Rouge.
Oh no.
It's the resing.
I'll just take it again. Fuck it.
Okay.
What if I take it?
I will take the next one.
I can influence this. It's okay. We have boss is dead. We can just use slow race.
Getting
Yeah, I'm
Rouge.
just trying to keep people alive here.
I'm going to die to
No,
this
just
next
take.
one.
Yeah, just take it again. No, just take it again, and then.
Yeah, I got clip it.
Yeah, it's okay. Just survive this.
Yeah.
World Shatter, then
Yeah.
healer LB, I guess?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, does this do any damage? I forget.
Yes,
It
it
does
does.
some.
It does.
Okay.
Yeah. Mitigate if
No
you can.
shit.
I'm motion locked.
Probably
Alright.
can.
Alright, I got mid. We're good.
Okay.
Just making sure that shit goes out there.
Yeah,
No
for
goal.
sure.
Alright, remember to look at the lines on the floor for the overlap stuff. Just be on your sides.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing for the back one with the green yellow picture. We're doing HHR.
Is 2 minutes or 2 minutes up? Should we pop?
46
like
seconds
30.
for me. Oh, I used mine a bit late, so yeah, like 30.
Help! Help! Aggro!
Oh, this is different. Oh no.
It's blue.
It's blue, it's blue, it's blue.
Whoa.
Okay.
Oh, the hit
Right.
and the.
What's this shift? Oh, okay.
Getting Rouge.
It's green.
Oh!
I'm dead.
Oh. I'm gonna idle this.
Mid.
Okay. Yeah,
and
mitigating.
Star Prism.
Raising.
We'll need to be a little bit back.
Oh yeah. Let's see
I'll
what
do
yeah,
the
this
right
happens.
tower.
Icarus!
Oh, Exaflares first.
Oh yeah, access first. Sorry.
Yeah.
You can still
Someone
dodge
first?
this in the middle if you want.
I'll get the raise in a second. Just gonna make sure I'm popped up.
Are these just tanks or?
Yeah, just
Yeah.
Probably just
Okay.
tanks.
I
And
can
then
get
the
Rosa.
big harrowing.
I got
in
Rosa,
the
I got
line.
Swift.
harrowing hell.
I'll get
yeah.
reprisal on this.
Oh
Okay.
god.
Okay,
Okay.
do not have mid.
Let's stack up.
Healing
please.
Rosa. Yeah. We're good. We're good. This one didn't
The
hit
big
too
one.
hard.
Watch for the big one.
I
Multi-stack.
have nothing
You
for
want
this.
tank LB on this?
Maybe.
No,
No,
good.
it's not hitting that hard.
Okay.
It
Oh,
might
it kind of is.
I'm just gonna press it.
I have no MP, thank you.
There's another.
Okay,
Oh, there's
one
another
more
one.
stack
okay.
after that. Okay.
It's probably another rotation, if I had to guess.
Yeah, another rotation.
Might do everything
Another
again.
rotation.
Like, she's at 30, she's at 30.
We didn't.
Yeah, another radical shift.
Okay.
Yellow, yellow, yellow.
Yellow. Wow, that hits hard. Watch, stacks are
Yeah.
still going up.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Okay.
The spreads
Yeah,
don't
we
do
need more
as
mid.
much though.
Yeah. I just have shields right now. Green?
Green.
I'll just sit here.
You can spread after too.
Oh, I tried to move for huge.
Oh shit, move. I'll get
I'm raising to Roy. Okay, you got it.
Did those just not go off?
It's done. Nice.
One
Did that
more,
second
thing
spreads
over
just not go off, by the way?
No,
They
they
do,
did.
they just don't
They
hit
just
very
don't do
hard.
much. All right,
Oh,
nice.
okay. I was gonna say it
it's
didn't
pretty
bring
much
a TB, and I was like,
static.
God damn.
Like I actually didn't understand. Like this is just static positioning, really. 'Cause if
Yeah,
you
but
can
there's
stay
different
for
overlaps.
green or yellow, if you stay like.
There is
Right?
There is
there's a
blue
big
though,
difference.
so there's
Almost.
3 combinations technically. But
Oh.
yes.
Hold on, someone put out. Fuck, I should have linked it. There's a Twitter post someone linked that's a brain dead spot you can sit for every single.
It's
For
the overlap of
all 3 combinations.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
those are
yeah,
like
you just overlap all
crazy
3. That's
amount
true.
of
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
weapons.
Yeah, it's
I'm needing those. Sorry, yo.
Yeah, that's
Yo,
for you.
Brad.
Good.
Free
Those are
roll on the
crazy.
weapon coffer, right?